Alright guys, we got a Subaru STI here, EJ25. Gonna quickly show you guys how to disengage this clutch fork away from the throw-up bearing. So here, it's loose already. You can see the slave is out. So I'm disengaging this clutch fork because of I'm taking out this whole engine out of the transmission. So first, there's a little hole right here. There's a plug that you need to open it up, and I use 14 mil. Okay, take out that plug. It's out already. I crack it open, so you just need to spin it out. All right, so there's the plug. Put that on the side, and then there's a shaft inside in there with a hole in the middle, and that hole is threaded. So I just use this 10 mil 1.25 bolt right here. So just a bolt that I got from the store. You need to snug it in there. We'll use this bolt to pull that shaft out. Okay, we're gonna pull that bolt out. We just use like a, I don't know, trim tool or pry bar or a 10 mil open end box wrench. We're just gonna rest it like this, and then we'll pull it out. Just like that. Look at that, it's coming out. You just need to wiggle it up, and this whole thing will slide out easy, just like that. That's it. They only go one way, okay? Put this on the side. Alright, so this fork right here, disengage from the clutch now. So just gonna push it forward, pull it up, just like that. There you go. That's loose. Now it's time to take out the engine. There's probably like 4 bolts here, 1 nut, and then 4 bolts on the other side and 1 nut for the bell housing that needs to come out. That's it.